All time.
What's up, guys? It's Davis here, and me and Zoe, we just made, it's the fluffy slime. Well, I did, and I gave her a little bit of it. This is what it looks like. It's really fluffy. It's not like regular slime. It's really fluffy. It smells really good. It smells like shaving cream because that's one of the ingredients you use. And it's after you knead it a lot, and I mean a lot.
Yeah, so
It doesn't stick to your hands. Like it'll look like it right here, but
mine sticks to my hand.
it just flings right off, and it's still super stretchy. And the ingredients you will need. Actually, I'm not telling you that until tomorrow because because I'm gonna make you guys anxious, girl. I'm gonna freaking make you anxious. So it's super beast. So I'm gonna get next time. I'm gonna get fluffy because it looked way better. I'm gonna get fluffy. And once you knead it for like 15, 20 minutes to 30 minutes.
An hour?
No, like 30 minutes.
That's an hour.
30 minutes. Knead it for 30 minutes. It takes like 15 minutes to make. Knead it for about 30. It actually doesn't. It does turn into non-sticky. It's sticky, but not sticky. Like it's stretchy and it sticks. It feels satisfying.
But it comes
But
off.
then, if it does stay, like if it does stay on you, you just put your hand on the slime.
So it's nice.
And the one thing I love doing is letting it like flatten out and doing this. Listen. Stop. Smack that booty. It doesn't even hurt. Like, do it as hard as you can, Zoe. It doesn't even hit the freaking table. Like, watch. It's how freaking strong it is. Okay. Poke a couple holes. Ready? Doesn't freaking.
Sounds like it hurts.
No. Doesn't even freaking stick.
I'm going out of the camera.
So, yeah. Just play with it. I promise, guys, I will give you 100%. I swear it's real. I'm just going to tell you guys the ingredients, and I will promise you, don't try to make it. I'll make a tutorial
On how to make it.
Tomorrow. So the ingredients you will need is shaving cream, fluffy, or gel works. I use both of them, that's why it's blue, because I use blue gel and white fluffy. And then you're going to need 2 bottles of Elmer's glue. I'm getting 4 because me and Zoe are both going to make it. Or we're just going to make one big one and split it in half. And then you're just going to need some Renew. Get the biggest bottle you can find. It's $8. It's expensive.
$8.
I just said that, but it's totally worth it. It comes almost like $15. Dub sometimes.
I think we just salt water.
$20. And shut up. And really, Renew's basically just salt water, but you really need to get it because regular water doesn't work. And if you live by the sea, go get some freaking salt water. That don't work either. So just get Renew. And yeah, it comes about $8. Yeah, like I said, this and white Elmer's glue, 2 bottles of it. So yeah, this came up to all together $15. The Renew was $8. The shaving cream was $2. And I got shaving cream was $3. Then I got 2 things of Elmer's glue.
Are they both 50 cents?
And they were both $1. So go to Dollar General, you can find all this stuff.
That was 8.
Oh my gosh, Zoe. 8. Freaking 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus tax. Tax, Zoe. Tax, Jesus. There's such thing as tax in this world.
I thought you said 12. Sorry.
Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I'll make a time lapse of just us playing with it.
Or you could just make it in slow mo and see what it looks like in slow mo.
I'll do that. Okay, slow-mo time and then time lapse time.